Hi guys, welcome to Science Tech for Fun. Today I will show you how to prepare Agar for bacteria culture. Right, so now we will prepare Agar. Agar is basically the same procedure than doing broth, but the concentrations, the ratio between Agar and water is slightly different, okay? So remember, the agar we're using is the nutrient agar. The ratio that ClearUp suggests is about 2.8 grams per 100 ml of water. I will do 400 ml of water, so I need 11.2 grams of agar for this amount of water, okay? Remember, never measure the water in your conical flask. Conical flask is not accurate. Laboratory jugs is way more accurate than this, so measure beforehand and then you just pour the liquid. Okay, so let's go for our measurements. So turn it on. Oh, there, and then go for our top. Okay, here you can see the density bigger is more up than the broth. The size of the model is different. Sorry, the volume of the powder compared to the broth. 7.13, no problem, okay? Even if it was 11.9, it's okay? This is the average. 2.8 is the average, so it's not necessarily rocket science. You can go a little beyond or below this number, right? So first the powder. I always dilute this way, first the powder, then the liquid. So I will add my liquid here. And I will place it in my autoclave. I just like to whisk a little bit to make more homogeneous, but doesn't work, doesn't matter. Can you see there is some pellets here? Same for the broth. This will dissolve. Agar dissolve about 90 degrees, so the temperature will be way above that, so we don't need to worry. Arrows, align it with arrow and arrow. Turn my machine, and then I press on. So now it's running. I will leave to about 45 minutes. That's my sterilization cycle. In the meantime, you can use this 45 minutes to set up your petri dishes around, keep everything sterile with your Bunsen burner, and wait for this. Keep your petri dishes all closed, right? And when it's time, you don't waste a long time doing, because maybe your day will be too busy and you won't be able to do much. So, the disinfection cycle is completed, so we can open up. I have my petri dishes here. It was inside the bag, so this is completely sterilized, so I don't need to worry about that. And this is disposable one. When you finish, you can just dispose it. So I will open up this one. Remember, I need to work around the flame to have a disinfection area. So I'm just gonna remove the excess of water. Put this on the side. Then I will take my petri dishes from the bag and I will keep with the small side facing down. And I will just open up when I want to pull. Okay? So the first thing I will do is I will spread around here all the petri dishes I need to work. Okay, so I'll just place my petri dishes this way, here. So as long as I keep this way, it's safe. I can say that this is sterile. Right, so now I will take my agar solution. You can see the agar is a nice clear color. You can give a whisk, a shake to see if everything melted. There is no solid here. So I will keep my agar close to the flame. I will open up first. I'm going to open up. Close, put on the side. Put on the side. How much should I do? About 15 ml of agar, okay? So don't need to be very deep. We just need a small layer of gel. So after you have poured all the agar in the plates, you just let it settle. This will take about 10-15 minutes, depending on your temperature. And during this time, you better if you clean the excess of agar in your conical flask. As you know, agar is solid, and if you don't remove the excess of agar in your conical flask, you will have a layer of gelatin inside that will be, depending on the size of your flask, very difficult to remove. So just press it like this, remove all the excess, and this you can just dispose in the bin, okay? If for any chance you have any leftover here, you do the same procedure, absorb as much as you can with a paper and throw it in a regular bin, okay? After this is settled and completely solid, you can pile up, always the gel facing up, okay? So the small part this way, so gel facing up, and you can keep in the fridge. You can pile like 6, 7, a pile of 6 or 7. Keep in the fridge for 2-3 weeks, will be fine, okay? Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up. Please consider to subscribe, give us a comment, and see you next time.